Ready to unlock the secrets to building a profitable Shopify dropshipping empire in 2025. Hey everyone, welcome to the ultimate guide to launching your very own Shopify dropshipping business. This isn't just another theoretical overview. We're diving deep into actionable steps you can implement today to start seeing results. First up, finding your goldmine, your niche. We'll explore proven methods for identifying profitable niches with high demand and low competition. Think and tap potential. We'll cover tools for market research and analyzing current trends so you can find that perfect product. Next, we tackle product sourcing. We'll show you how to navigate AliExpress and other reliable suppliers to find high-quality products with fast shipping times. I'll share my personal tips for vetting suppliers and avoiding common pitfalls. Now, let's build your online storefront. I'll walk you through setting up your Shopify store from scratch, optimizing it for maximum conversions, and crafting product descriptions that sell. We're talking about layouts, themes, and essential apps that will boost your sales. Speaking of apps, we'll explore must-have Shopify apps that streamline operations and skyrocket your sales. We'll cover everything from product importing and inventory management to customer reviews and email marketing automation. Time to get those sales rolling. We'll dive into effective marketing strategies, including Facebook and Instagram ads, influencer marketing, and email marketing. Learn how to target the right audience and create compelling campaigns that drive traffic to your store. Scaling your business is the name of the game. I'll show you how to analyze your data, identify areas for improvement, and implement strategies to grow your revenue. I'll also share tips for providing excellent customer service, because happy customers mean repeat business. Remember, dropshipping success is a marathon, not a sprint. With the right strategies and a bit of dedication, you can build a thriving online business in 2025. Be sure to subscribe for more in-depth tutorials and stay ahead of the curve.